very easy install. Took no more than 10 minutes, I believe.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and be doing something pretty simple, very simple install, but definitely a huge gain and for the vehicle itself. So we're gonna go ahead and open the trunk right now. So here we actually have 2 catch cans. Yes, I'm doing 2. Why? Because this car sees a lot of track days. So we're gonna go ahead and actually put both. That way we take extra precaution. So we have one here, and then the second one, as you guys saw, and we have a little bit of bag of tools, because I was actually going to do this somewhere else, but since I'm already home, might as well just do it here. And then tonight we're going to go out for a little bit of fun. I don't think anything's really going to be popping tonight, so we'll see, but it is what it is if it doesn't. So you guys will see that, I guess, at the end of the video. Clean engine bay for the most part. I try to keep it a little bit clean from time to time. So we're going to go ahead and actually pop this one off. This is going to be one of the catch cans. And then pretty sure it's this one. All right guys, so now that I have a tripod set up, I have both actual catch cans out right here. So we're gonna go ahead, and this one is very simple. Supposedly you're supposed to pop it and kind of twist and go up. There you go. That was real simple. And this side should be the same. There you go. Super easy. So now this one, I believe, doesn't actually have anything to push it down on. Just kind of flip it in, and there we go. So that's one. Very nice, very simple, very easy install. And now we're gonna go ahead and do this one. This one actually comes with this little bracket here, and I guess you're supposed to screw it in down here onto this one, I believe. And basically it will go ahead and fit, and it comes with 2 more little screws. I believe it's supposed to end up like that, basically, where this covers over it, and it basically just holds it up right there. Up, and this one, there we go. Intake, cheap plastic. Now you don't actually need the driver's side necessarily. Everyone, and I'm talking about like every review I've actually read, even JLT has said it. It doesn't catch much, but if you want that extra protection, then just go ahead and get it for both sides. Plus, it looks a lot better when you have both, to be honest, engine bay appearance-wise. There we go. And I believe this is a 10mm, so I'm gonna go ahead and, after you just kind of get it a little bit in there, you go ahead and actually tighten it up with a 10mm socket. There's one. There's 2, and now we can go ahead and actually fit it to where it needs to go. All right guys, there you go. Very simple, very easy install. Took no more than 10 minutes, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day for this, and I guess we'll pick it up later tonight. But I'll go ahead and give you guys a review later down the road. Again, I'm already expecting that this driver's side is not gonna catch very much, and that passenger side is actually what catches the most. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video, probably because I'm gonna forget to end it, because I always do. So I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy whatever happens tonight.